Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you how to turn your scrap 27-piece hair, a closure, which I'm not going to use this one because it was too bald, and a few pieces of weave hair into a mushroom cut quick weave wig. So I go in first and I start by spraying the cap with usually spritz, but I couldn't find any. And now I'm just going to lay the tracks. So I kind of lay them in a U motion because I want some of the hair to lay on my face. If you just stack them left to right, that does work, but I don't know, for me this just works better. And now I am going to glue the closure down in the center of the cap because you want the scalp to be in the middle. You do not need to put it all the way to the front because we're going to fill all of that space in with our track hair. With my razor comb to shape the mushroom cut. Trust me, I went in several times with my shears, my thinning shears and stuff like that until I got it to my liking. And once I got it to how I liked it, I went in and I molded it with my styling foam. I was in a rush because I had something to do, so I just blow dried it with my blow dryer instead of sitting it under my dryer. Yeah, so like that. And I am taking my Babyliss titanium flat iron and just doing a light bump. We don't want it too curly. So if you'd like to see me install this wig, please subscribe and like this video. Bye.